You're sitting in a coffee shop. The air smells like roasted beans. Your phone buzzes. Again, notifications stack up. Emails, texts, that one post you shouldn't have read. Your mind's racing. Did I say the wrong thing at work? Am I falling behind? Why do I feel so heavy? Across the room, an older couple sits. They're quiet. Not the loud kind of quiet. The kind that feels like they've earned it. He reaches out. His hand brushes hers. Just for a moment. She smiles. Not big. Small. Real. And for 1 second, the world stops. You notice. When was the last time you felt that still? Not chasing, not fixing, not overthinking every move, just there. What if one small touch-on deliberate moment could do that for you? Not to win someone over, but to find your own quiet. Today, we're talking about 7 places. Not just places on her, places that ground you. 7 ways to touch an older woman that aren't about desire. They're about presence, about control, about letting go of the noise. These are moments that slow the world down. For her, for you, if you've ever felt your mind running too fast. If you've caught yourself spiraling, reacting, regretting, leave a dot in the comments. Not for me, but for someone else who needs this pause today. Let's begin. Number 1, the lower back. It's not flashy, not the first place you'd think of, but there's power in it, quiet power. A hand resting there light, steady says something words can't. It says, I'm here, I've got you. Picture this. You're walking through a busy street. People rush by. Horns blare. Your phone's buzzing again. She's next to you, an older woman. Someone who's seen more of the world than you. Your hand finds her lower back. Just for a moment. Not grabbing, not pushing, just guiding. The crowd feels less heavy. The noise fades. She steps a little closer. Why does this work? Because it's not about control. It's about presence. Stoics talk about what's in your control. Not the crowd, not her thoughts, not the chaos, but your hand. Your choice to be steady. In that touch, you're not reacting to the world. You're choosing to be there. Try this tomorrow. You're with someone, maybe her, maybe a friend. The world's loud. Your mind's louder. Place your hand lightly on their lower back. Not to lead, not to impress. To remind yourself, I'm here. Feel the weight lift. Just a little. When was the last time you guided someone and felt yourself slow down? Let's move to a place that asks for more trust. Number 2, the nape. It's hidden, delicate. The soft curve where her neck meets her shoulders. It's not a place you touch carelessly. It's a place that demands respect. Imagine this. You're sitting across from her, a quiet dinner. The restaurant hums with chatter. Your mind's already jumping work tomorrow. That email you forgot. That thing you said last week. She laughs. Her hair shifts. You notice the nape of her neck. Your fingers brush there, light, barely there. She pauses. Her eyes soften. And your thoughts? They quiet. This isn't about seduction. It's about vulnerability. The nape is exposed. Fragile. Touching it means she trusts you. And you? You're trusting yourself to be gentle. Stoics say, accept what you can't control. You can't control her reaction, her feelings, but you can control your intention. A light touch, a moment of care, that's enough. Next time you're close, maybe a hug, maybe just passing by, try it. Let your fingertips graze here, nape. Not to get something, not to prove anything, to feel the moment, to be present. Notice how your mind slows, how the need to react fades. What's it like to touch someone and feel only trust? Let's shift to something simpler. Number 3, the arm. It's ordinary, accessible, but don't mistake it for small. A touch on the arm can build a bridge between you, between your racing thoughts and her calm. Picture this. You're at a bar, not loud, but busy. She's talking something about her day, her past, a story you didn't expect. Your mind's half there, half stuck on that deadline you missed. You lean in. Your hand rests on her arm. Not grabbing, Just there. Her voice steadies. Your focus sharpens. The room feels smaller. Just you two. Why does this matter? Because it's listening without words. Stoics value silence. Not the awkward kind. The kind where you're fully here. Touching her arm says, I'm not rushing. I'm not fixing. I'm with you. It's a pause for her. And for you. A way to stop overthinking. To stop reacting. Try this. Next time you're talking, really talking, let your hand find their arm. Not planned. Not forced. Just a natural moment. Feel how it pulls you back. Back to the conversation. Back to now. How often do you listen and actually hear? Let's explore a place that's unexpected. Number 4. The knee. It's not the first place you'd think of, but it's close. Comfortable. A touch here can feel like home. Imagine this. You're on a couch. Maybe a movie's playing. The lights dim. Your mind's not. It's running bills. Plans. That argument you had yesterday. She's next to you. Relaxed. Your hand rests on her knee. Soft. Steady. She shifts closer. And your thoughts? They ease. This is about comfort. Not excitement. Not pressure. The knee is safe. Accessible. It's a touch that says, we're okay. Right here. Right now. Stoics talk about living in the present. Not the past you can't change. Not the future you can't predict. This touch pulls you back to now. For her. For you. Try it. Next time you're sharing a moment watching something, sitting close-lit, your hand rests there. Not to start something. Not to push. To feel the stillness. Notice how she leans in. How your mind settles. When did you last feel that calm? Let's move to a place that feels alive. Number 5. The waist. It's warm. Personal. A touch here can feel like a dance. Not leading, not following, just moving together. Picture this. You're at a park, evening light. People are everywhere, kids running, dogs barking. Your mind's buzzing to this. I forget that meeting. Should I text back? She's walking beside you. Your hand finds her waist. Light. Natural. She steps in, sync. The world softens. This is about harmony. Stoics say, align with nature, not your ego, not your need to control. Touching her waist is a rhythm, a way to move with her. It's not about where you're going. It's about being here, together. Try this. Next time you're walking, standing close, let your hand rest there. Not to pull her, not to show off. To feel the moment. Notice how your steps match, how your thoughts slow. What's it like to move with someone and feel free? Let's talk about something timeless. Number 6. The hands. They're ordinary until they're not. Holding her hand can feel like an chore. For her, for you, imagine this. You're in a car. Parked. The radio's low. She's talking something small, something real. Your mind's drifting work, stress, that thing you didn't say. You reach out. Your fingers find hairs. Soft, firm. She squeezes back. And your head, it clears. This is about trust. Stoics say, value what's in front of you, not what's missing, not what's next. Her hand in yours is now. It's a promise. I'm here. I'm not running. It's simple. And it's everything. Try it. Next time you're sitting, walking, waiting, take her hand. Not to prove anything, not to rush, to feel the warmth, the connection. Notice how your mind settles, how the noise fades. When was the last time you held someone and felt enough? One last place. The most delicate. Number 7, the wrist. It's small, fragile, but there's magic in it. A touch here feels like a secret. Picture this. You're saying goodbye. Outside her place. The street's quiet. Your mind's note replaying the night, planning tomorrow. You take her hand. Your fingers brush her wrist. Light. Fleeting. She looks at you. A small smile. And for one moment, everything's still. This is about intimacy. Not loud, not forced. The wrist is sensitive. Personal. Touching it says, I see you. Stoics say, embrace what passes. This touch isn't meant to last. It's meant to linger. In her, in you. Try it. Next time you're parting ways, let your fingers graze her wrist. Not to hold on, not to ask for more, to mark the moment. Feel how it stays with you, how it quiets the rush. What's it like to touch someone and let go? You're back in the coffee shop. Your phone's still there, buzzing, but you don't pick it up. Not yet. You look around, the couple's gone, but that feeling they're quiet, their ease-it's still here. These 7 places aren't about her. Not really. They're about you. About finding stillness in a touch. About choosing presence over noise. You don't need to change. You don't need to fix anything. Just try one. Tomorrow. See what happens. When the world gets loud again. When your mind starts running. Come back to this. Not for answers. Just for a pause. What's one small moment you can choose right now?